children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are well. We are starting offline video classes again due to Corona. So, stay at home, follow Corona precautions. Now I am going to tell you about FA3 syllabus. Now I am going to tell you about FA3 syllabus in 4th class. FA3 syllabus in 4th class first lesson, plants around us lesson children. See here children, a network of interrelated food chains is shown here. There is a missing link without which this network never exists. Try to find out the missing link from the given option. See here children, observe these pictures: lion, eagle, cat, wolf, goat, rabbit, rat, snake. Goat, rabbit and rats eat only plant products. Next, wolf, cat eats animal. Snakes eat rats and small insects. Lion eats only animal flesh. Eagle eats animal meat. Animals do not make their own food. Plants make their own food. Try to find out the missing link from the given option. Here, plant. These are interdependent. If goats depend on plants for food, wolf, cat, snakes depend on small animals, lions, tigers depend on all animals flesh. This is a interrelated food chain. See here children, what is this picture? Observe mushrooms, grasshopper, plants, eggs. We know that food gives us energy to different kinds of work. Where do we get our food from? Plants and animals. Why do we need food children? We need food give us energy, different kinds of work. Where do we get our food from? Plants and animals. From where do the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores get the required energy for their bodies? What is called herbivores? Children, what are called herbivores? Animals like cows and elephants feed on plants. These are called herbivores. Omnivores. Crows and cockroaches eat all types of food. These are called omnivores. Animals like lions and tigers hunt animals and eat their flesh. These are called carnivores. From where do the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores get the required energy for their bodies? Plants and animals. What are the living things that can make their own food through photosynthesis? As the name itself implies what is essential for photosynthesis. Now I am going to tell you about photosynthesis. Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green color pigment. Using water from soil and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. See here children, this is a sun. What is the primary source of energy for both plants and animals? Sun. See here children, wild plants and cultivated plants. Plants exhibit amazing diversity. There are wild plants and cultivated plants and weeds. Wild plants grow on their own in a natural state with no human interference and care. Wild plants are grown naturally in roadsides, forests on their own. See here children, cultivated plants. Cultivated plants are used to feed human beings. Cultivated plants are grown by human beings for their use. Next, observe this picture, children. This man is trying to remove a plant. Why? It is an undesirable. Undesirable means not useful or unwanted plant. This is a undesirable or unwanted plant. These plants often grow, spread fast and pose a serious threat to desirable cultivated plants. Desirable means useful cultivated plants. Such plants are called weeds. These are called weeds. Weeds means kalupu mokkal. A weed can be defined simple as a wild plant in the wrong place. Weeds are grown in the crops. These are a waste plants, unwanted plants, undesirable plants. Next, observe this picture, children. Do you know this plant? In India, this plant grow by the roadside and railway tracks on uncultivated lands and waste lands, besides invading agricultural crop fields. This causes lung, eye and skin diseases in human beings. Identify this notorious weed. This is a unwanted plant. Next, children, plants can grow indoor and outdoor. Some plants are small and weak, whereas some are big and strong. Based on this, plants can be classified into 4 types. How many types of plants are classified, children? 4 types. See here, what is the observe this picture? Watermelon, bottle gourd. Creepers and climbers. These are the plants with weak stems. They creep along the ground or climb over a support. These are called creepers and climbers. Next, see here, children. These are called herbs. These are small plants with green, tender and non-woody stem. Next, look at these pictures, children. Bushy plants. These are called shrubs. These are bushy plants. They typically branches near the ground and so have several narrow stems rather than a single trunk. Stems are woody but not thick. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Next, look at these pictures, children. Trees. These are tall, big and strong plants. Tall, big and strong plants are called trees. Their stems grow wide and become trunks. Generally, they have branches on the upper part of the trunk. They usually live for many years. Observe the trees in this picture. Are all these trees of same form and shape? No. These are different shapes and different sizes. Okay, children, how many types of plants are classified? 4 types. What are they? Creepers and climbers, herbs, shrubs and trees. Creepers example watermelon, children. Climbers example grapevine. Herbs examples mint plant and tomato plant. Shrubs examples hibiscus, jasmine. Trees examples coconut tree, banyan tree, mango tree. Look at these pictures, children. Water plants, land plants. Where do plants live and grow? Plants live and grow both on land and in water. Water plants include floating as well as submerged under water. Plants grow everywhere on the land. Everywhere on the earth. Some plants grow on land, some plants grow in water. Water plants are called aquatic plants. Land plants are called terrestrial plants. Some plants floating as well as submerged under water. Next, observe this picture, children. These are the trees or shrubs that live in the coastal intertidal zone. They protect shorelines from damaging storms, hurricanes, winds, waves and floods. These are called mangroves. Next, observe these pictures: paddy, marigold, carrot, beetroot, coconut. The lifespan of all the plants is not same. Some plants live for one season only, one season only. This type of plants are called herbs. Some live for 2 years, carrot and beetroot examples, and some for several years, some shrubs and trees. See here children, this is a paddy plants live for one season only. These are called herbs. This also called herb. 2 years plants, lifespan 2 years, carrot and beetroot. Several years, coconut tree. Observe these pictures children. These are flowering plants. These are non-flowering plants. Some plants bear flowers. These are called flowering plants. Example, tulip, hibiscus. These are non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants cannot produce flowers. Cycas and cotton plants. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.